Hello everyone. The Employee Shift Allocation Odoo app helps you to manage an employee shift with else. You can create and different shift types, set working hours and dates, assign shift to the individuals, or even allocate shift in bulk to multiple employees. Let's dive in and see how it works. After installing this module, let's get into the employees. Under the configuration, you can see an option to create and shift type where we have created a shift type. So for that, we need to give a shift type name. Now, after creating the shift type, let's create an employee shift. So where we have created some employee shift, which is a rotational shift, morning shift, night shift. Let's get into the first one. So for creating an employee shift, we need to give the a shift name. Shift type will be from the drop down, and here we can select, and in this it will take and working hours, and also we need to give this date from and also date to. So once we have created an employee shift list, let's assign a shift to the employee. So for that, we need to get into the employees where you can see an option for shift allocation where we can create a new, and in this we need to add a person, and once we have added, we can add a shift name, and it will automatically take a date from the shift that we have created before. And now let's save this one where you can see it will be created the shift, and in this we can add a description too. Now, if you need to create for a bulk, so we can make use of this option to create a shift in the bulk for all the employees. Now I'm going to create a rotational shift. It will automatically fetch a date from as well as date to. Now in this we can select an employee by clicking on the search mode option. We can select n multiple employees over here by selecting n employees. So let me select some of the employees. Let's disable this because we have already created an shift for the same person. Now in this we can add an description rotational shift. Okay, now I'll process where you can see, well, getting into the shift allocation, you can see for all the person, it will automatically create and shift allocations in a bulk. And also it will be work in calendar view as well. We have the calendar view where we can see in shift allocation for employee wise. So this is how this module works. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.